He is the only God who knows every heart, who sees the wounds we hide from the world. Not a single tear falls unseen by Him. He is the one who guides us through the darkest paths. He is the only God who creates and sustains, who lifts the broken when they can no longer stand, free of all need, aware of every whisper. He is the one who hears even the silent prayers. He is the only God who breathed life into dust, who placed identity within every soul. We asked for little, yet He gave so much. He is the one whose mercy knows no measure. He is the only God who turns nights into hope, who replaces fear with faith in the heart, when the world walks away from a lonely soul. Constant support, no injustice lies within His decree. No promise of His is ever broken. He may delay, but He never denies. He is the only God, eternally merciful. He is the only God who taught us to bow, who revealed that humility leads to honor. Those who surrender rise in His sight. He is the only God who revealed this truth. Oh, merciful Lord, all praise belongs to You. My words, my heart, my very being. I am nothing without You. Oh, Sustainer, He is the only God.